How to use Pinterest for Etsy. If you have an Etsy shop and you would like to drive traffic to your Etsy shop and sell products, so this is the best source of traffic for your business. Pinterest is really good. It beats all other sources of traffic as per different Etsy owners, shop owners, and mostly what people look for are some things like, say, printables, checklists and planners. That's a very common. Also, you get these. They would like some jewelry. So these are different things you can sell via Pinterest very easily. So for the first part is, let us look at some of the Etsy shop, Etsy jewelry, for example. And if you go to Pinterest and suppose you are selling jewelry on Etsy, so you type in Etsy jewelry or just jewelry for that matter, and see what comes up in the first search here. So the first one, it's here, it says necklace, then it says rings, earrings, packaging, bracelets. So going from the left to right, this is the order of importance, or the order of how many people search for something. So more people search for necklaces, a little fewer search for rings, then there's the earrings, then people search for bracelets, handmade Etsy jewelry, for gold necklaces, like that. That's how it goes. Okay. So, and also another thing is that how are people saving these pins? If you scroll down, look at how are they sharing. What type of images are there? Is that a clear background and the focus is just on the earrings, somebody wearing the earrings? How tall are the pins? And you can see there are video pins here. Video pins get you a lot of impressions, but the click-through rate is not as much. You have to keep that in mind. And if the video pin is a 1 by 1, that is a square pin, it if for certain keywords, videos will show up in the top left hand corner, and if it is a 1 by 1, it will show up there. For this keyword, it's not. There will be, you'll, when you're researching, you'll find such things happening. Also look at what are they naming their pins. So this is Etsy jewelry, but and what are they naming? Long chain earrings, 3D umbrella resin earrings. So they are very elaborate on what they are saying. See, Etsy jewelry items, Louis Vuitton, whatever, gold wrap earrings. So you can see when just go through each of these listings and see what exactly are they typing. Earrings, ear and space rings, everything makes a difference. And then look at this. So I clicked on one of this and it's going into a website. So I'm just going to click that out. So one way is to list the products on your website and send the Etsy traffic to your website, and from your website to Etsy. Because there are two clicks happening, one from Pinterest to your website, from the website to Etsy, you will find that sales may decrease. But if you have, like, these guys have a shopping cart, a shopping system right onto their website, it it's a very good, they'll have good sales. So you have to keep that in mind. The number of clicks as they increase, the lesser the number of sales you will get. Why they are doing, why some people send it to their website and then to Etsy. Suppose Etsy tomorrow they have to shut down Etsy or whatever, they always have this traffic coming to their site, and from their site they can always redirect it or send it upwards. So for example, look at this website says Etsy jewelry, and I had clicked on a pin in Pinterest and it's showing the 10 or 12 best Etsy jewelry, and they are just describing the jewelry and have a buy now link which goes to the Etsy shop. So you could also do like that, something like that. Another thing is we need to look at the exact individual pin. Click on the pin, look at how the pin has been taken, what are the color combinations, how is the jewelry being displayed, what are the keywords being used. So this says elegant statement drop earrings, so obviously it's about drop earrings. and they are giving you ideas that it could be a bridesmaid's gift, it could be a gift for her, the special her in your life, for any special occasions. So they are trying to have so many keywords in there, and the price has been listed, and the hashtags have been listed, and also this is the board, they have saved it to the accessories board. And one more thing which I really found my pins being found was that, suppose, see this as a neck with the jewelry here, and look at this. What is it showing? More like this below. It says, this is the lens, Pinterest lens. Okay, neck with jewelry, neck with jewelry. So chances are that if I go on this pin, chances are that your pin might show up. So you have, that's why it is, you see what others are doing and do something similar, because suppose somebody had visited this pin, they might see your pin and click through onto that also. So that does happen. Another thing which you have to be which is important is, how do you set up your Pinterest account? You need to set it up the right way. Use your keywords to set it up. You make sure it's a business account, and also make the most relevant boards for this account. So for example, let's look at the printables wall art. Let's look. So this pin, that's surprising that it's not working and it's listed. So let's see if I click on this pin, okay, and see where it has been saved. So it's coming from the home decor bedroom, and this is actually easy to rank. See, she has, it's not done well at all, but so you have to have your keyword in your board name. This is the board. Eva is the person, her board is home decor bedroom, in which she has multiple pins. And home decor bedroom, look at the board name, it is a keyword, and that's coming up in the URL, if you notice, right on the top. Okay, and this is her actual name, Nicoleva 13. And you can then go and check her profile and see what exactly is she pinning, how is it set up. Okay, for mine, I in my country, Pinterest does have issues, so I might not be able to show all of these to you. So if you have issues like this, actually it works in the incognito mode for whatever reason. It's at least in my country. So you have to set up the profile, make sure the boards are set up well, make sure that the boards have covers. In the future videos, I'll show that more clearly to you. So that is how we do Pinterest marketing for Etsy. Send the traffic to your Etsy shop. Or another important thing is that, suppose you're linking this pen, okay, like, no, let's look at this white opal moon and cloud jewelry. Okay, and then when somebody clicks on it, to, instead of directly sending them to the same jewelry, maybe one pin you can have sending it directly to this moon shaped jewelry. Another thing you can do is, you can send this traffic to the broader, like white opal jewelry, maybe folder you have on Etsy, so that when your pendant goes out of stock, they have options, other options. Otherwise it will say that this jewelry is not available, or it's been, if you delete it, it's deleted. So to avoid that, you could send it to a board. So that's it for now, and hope this has helped you understand a bit more about how to use Pinterest for promoting your Etsy business. Pinterest can send you a lot of traffic for Etsy. So make sure you use it right, and keep watching my videos.